Being good with money isn't a personality trait. It's a set of habits. Here's what those habits actually look like day to day. Check bank and credit card balances while having coffee. Takes 2 minutes. Prevents end-of-month surprises. Awareness is the first step to control. Log every purchase the same day, even small ones. Most overspending happens in $5 to $20 increments. A simple notes app or printable log works fine. 10 minutes to review the week's spending. Compare to budget, on track or off. Adjust the next week's plan if needed. First of every month, new budget page, fresh start. Review last month's performance without judgment. Set next month's priorities based on what you learned. Net worth check, insurance review, investment rebalancing. Cancel anything that crept back in during the year. Set one big financial goal for the year ahead. Download our daily money tracker printable to start these habits today. Link in description. New tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.